Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Lingsilk pillows and little eye mask and scrunchie set. First of all, I want to point out that this box is so beautiful. It was sent to me by Lingsilk, so I'm so thankful for that because I've heard that their bedding and everything is so beautiful. Make sure to check them out in the description. So this is the box that it came in. And when you open it, I still have not seen what I've received, so it's still fully packaged. It's so beautifully packaged with like a little sticker of the brand over here, so I really like that. I was excited to collaborate with Lingsilk because silk bedding and silk pillows are just so good for your hair, and I'm like really getting into like skincare and just looking after my hair and everything. And silk pillowcases are known to like not break you out, to keep your hair like nice and silky. So this is like a very good investment if you like are really into skincare and stuff like that. It also comes with this beautiful eye mask, which I definitely need because my room is so bright. So I definitely need that like from night to morning. Sometimes I sleep in because of them because they're just so comfortable and nice. So let's just open this package. When you open it, I just like rip the little sticker off, and he sent me this cute little silk scrunchie. When I feel it, like I can tell like this is really high quality material because it just feels so nice. It has a little tag and their Instagram code, which is so cute. So I definitely need this whenever I need to pull my hair up at night. And then it also came with an eye mask. So I chose this gorgeous like little navy blue because my sheets are gray and white, and I feel like navy blue really complements it, and navy blue is like dark enough for me to sleep comfortably in this. This is so soft and it's kind of like padded inside, so it gives you extra comfort. This is really nice elastic, and again it comes with the nice tags and everything, and this would look so cute with my matching pillow set. These are the long-awaited pillows. Oh my god, they feel so nice, and I love the way they've been packaged and everything. So this is the pillow that I got. It's this gorgeous like silky navy blue color, and it just looks so luxurious and beautiful, and I'm sure my hair and skin are gonna thank me for this. So I really love the material of this, and I can't wait to put it on my bed and how it looks. So this is the first one, and then here is the other one. Once again, I'm just like so in love with the way everything is packaged, and it's so nice. Like I just love the feel of it. Like I wish I could wear it because it just feels so high quality. So everything is 100% silk. It's mulberry silk. You can check out, they have different colors. They have like pink, white, black, green. Like they have so many colors, and I absolutely loved it. It was so hard for me to pick out the colors that I wanted, but this navy blue just stood out to me and really spoke to me. It was like, choose me. So I did. And then it came in this beautiful like little sustainable packaging, and they also put this in here. So let's check that out. This was my first time like opening everything with you guys. So yeah, so there's like washing instructions and a cute little cleaning advice and machine wash, which is so nice, and then a little thank you card. So you can soak it in clean water for 3 to 5 minutes, dry clean it, or hand wash it, which is so handy because it's nice to wash your pillows and bed sheets as often as you can to look after your skin and hair. And then here's just some more instructions of how to look after it because it is 100% silk. So if you would like to make that investment, I suggest you do because it's worth it. So please make sure to check out Lingsilk. It'll be linked in my bio, as well as up here. I'll show you guys the options that they have available. Make sure to check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and like and subscribe this video if you enjoy my content, and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed about it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.